Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a project share for Beebeecraft. They had sent me some products and I did an unboxing, and I'm just going to show you some of my design stuff that I made with it. Now, one of the items that I got for Beebeecraft was these enamel dots, and I must say I love the way that they packaged them. They came in this Ziploc bag, then they came in this nice container, and as you can see, you got 15 different colors. Nice suction, and you got a nice depth amount of all of these enamel dots. You can see how thick that is. So nice, pretty, vibrant colors. And so I just used a couple of these on some projects. I'm just going to show you, but this is a great investment, so I will have the link below for you to check that out. This is a Chinese company, and they actually shipped it very fast. And like I said, I like the way they ship their products. Everything was extra packaged nicely, so they stayed secured, they stayed individually wrapped, and those little details, those attentive details really matter too. And the quality, of course, is excellent. So what I wanted to show was just a couple things that I made with the Beebeecraft's enamel dots. So this is a project I was working on, and I added this is just a tag pocket. I made a new word, a tag pocket, and you can see some of the enamel dots that I added right there. So I added 3 of the white enamel dots, and then this is 3 different color of the orange. You've got your dark, medium, and your light, or coral, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know if that lighting is good or bad. And then some of the blue up there, and usually I use them in 3s because 3s, creates that visual triangle. And that's just a little embellishment. I put them all right there. So that's just some of the items that I have created using the enamel dots. And like I said, these are very simple to use. They're very fun. And I will be back with more creations from Beebeecraft. So I just want to show you that you can make these in a jiffy, and they're easy to use. You can use your hot glue gun to add it. You can use glue dots, and they adhere very well. So check them out. I'll have the link below. I also have the link below for my unboxing, so you can see the items that I got, and my other video that I made previously using the tassels that I got for them as well, so you can check that out as well. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.